Yeah, you like that idea. I see that.
Rock climbing. Hey guys, we just finished rock climbing today. I showed you a little clip earlier, but we're just finishing up for the day. So we're like unclipping ropes currently. Ruben and Raylene are up there. And then everyone else is down here. And we're packing up to go back. But yeah, we had like a super good day of rock climbing. We had, I think, 5 paths that we could go up. I personally got to the top of 3, so I'm pretty proud of myself because yesterday I only did 1. But yeah, so should be pretty good. And then we're doing rock climbing as well tomorrow. Hey guys, so we're back again climbing at the dark side this time. So yeah, I just finished like a climb over here with like some serious help from Jonathan. So if he's watching, thank you so much. That was all you, man. But yeah, so we just finished that. We're getting ready to pack up. We got a person up here. Here. I think they're taking down some ropes right now. But yeah, so we just finished some climbing over here at the dark side, which was super fun and very challenging. I don't think I've climbed anything that hard yet in these past 3 days, but yeah, it was really fun. And we're heading back.
This is the vlog.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, dear. Hello. Hello.
We're busting pizza.
You know, this is day 1. Yeah, pretty great.
Not day 1.
We're busting pizza and it's almost midnight and we're eating food. Yeah, so we're busting pizza and
she just gave you a box.
yeah, it's super late. We don't have school tomorrow though, so that's why we're here.
Day off.
I love this song.
Day off tomorrow.
Wait,
Yeah.
is gonna sing for us? Are we ready?
I don't know the words to this song. Actually, this is the rest of the song. It just kind of repeats this.
I like that song. Okay guys, see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Just let us know how the pain is. I was like, I thought you were Look where you want to go.
Yeah.
Hey girl. There you go. Yeah, Abby. Oh. Is that what I did last time? Yeah.
Little improvements, and by the end, you'll just be ripping.
Yeah. Yeah, nice. Nice abs.
Is it hard being away from her so long? Oh, no, it's easy. Easy? Oh, yeah. Does she have like another husband or something? No. Okay.
Hey guys, so we are back. We're here at Prairie Dorms because Tyler needed to come back and do some things. So we tagged along so we could grab some things that we forgot. And then we're also heading to Red Deer today so that we can grab some gear for our specializations. I'm going to pick up a water bladder, which I think will be really good for biking. And yeah, and then some other people need to get different gear for climbing and stuff like that. So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing today. We got here last night and then stayed over in our rooms, and then yeah, we're heading out to Red Deer today, and we'll be back at Frontier for supper. But yeah, I just wanted to catch a clip, so yeah, that'll be super fun, and I think it's gonna be a good day. So yeah. 2, 1. Yes, Alan.
Is that so terrible to anybody else that the truck something in the bottom of the trailer?
I feel like that pole and that trailer are...
Uh-oh.
Can we stand by the pole?
He's gonna go right into the pole.
We're not gonna make it.
This is kind of hilarious.
I don't think he's gonna fit with that sign there.
Never mind.
Then there's Levi,
Have to take the canoes off.
the cowboy with the
Trailer off.
slipper. Hey Heather.
Hey.
Hey. Hey Teal Team. Hey. What's up? Wow!
Going canoeing.
Going canoeing! We're trying to.
Going canoeing.
Not quite there yet.
We're going
We might just
canoeing
canoe
on
in the
red.
ditch.
Yeah, oh, we could ride our canoes in the ditch.
Gonna go tobogganing.
Behind the truck. Nope, that's unsafe.
Canoe bogganing.
Just kidding.
Yeah, and we'll make it. And here we go.
Tilting.
And paddle.
Yeah, Quinn.